Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into some exciting CSS techniques to create a sleek and modern design. We'll be using only pure HTML and CSS to achieve this. As you can see in the screen, today we will be diving into this part of the design. Okay, we will be designing this. The background is the most important part of any designs, right? Today we will be using linear gradient background design just to have a smooth transition. I think you guys can see. See, we have two color combinations. It is 135-degree linear gradient design. Okay, we will be designing this page. If you guys have any doubt at any moment, please let me know in the comment. I'll make sure to reply you guys back. Okay. Okay, let's get started. So let's create a HTML. Okay, that will be index.html file, and one more will be style.css file. Okay, and let's get a boilerplate. So we have our boilerplate, and we'll be naming the title as login. Okay, before going through this, one second, let me link my CSS. Okay, you guys can use it like this: link CSS. By default it will take the name as style.css. That's why I always create my CSS file in this name. Okay, one extensions you guys need is go for extension here. Okay, and search for live server. Okay, and install this. Okay, go for extensions, search live server and install this. I'll tell you why. See, right click on your HTML, you guys can see open with live server. Okay, with this you guys will be getting a live page, okay, of your HTML. Whatever you design, you guys can check it out here. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's keep it like this so that you guys, it will be more easier for you guys. Yeah, I think this is much better. This is a shortcut to create a div class. Okay, and I have a container now. Okay, so basically, so now I have a container, right? So next, what I want, okay, let me show you guys what I am saying. Let's go here. Okay, see, let's assume this entire page is a container. Okay, and in the center I'll be having a login page. And let's just join this. Okay, so here I'm expecting a logo here. Okay, I'll be having a text here, and here we'll be having our buttons, right? Okay, so this will be the container. So this will be the container, this will be the login box, right? So I have created a container. Let's keep it here. Okay, I have created a container. Now I have to create a login box. Okay, I have a login box, right? Inside that, first I'll be inserting an image. Image means that will be a logo. So image src. For now I won't take any image. Okay, let's give it alternate name as logo, and we'll give it a class name called as logo. Okay, we'll be having an image here. After the image I'll be having a text. uh, okay, see, you guys can see here, right? In the left side, see, we have a logo, and then we have a text. So that's why this is important to have a live server. Whatever you guys are designing, you guys can directly check it out. Okay, okay, so I hope you guys have no doubt still now. As I explained in here, I have a logo, I have my text, I need two buttons, right? So let's go with the button class. uh, First one will be sign up. Okay, let's use camel casing. Okay, first button will be sign up button. Next one will be a login button. Right. Okay, so this is it. It's so simple, right? Okay, so now let's go and design a CSS. First we'll design, first for entire thing I'll be making margin 0 and padding will be 0. Okay, okay, perfect. See, now we have no border space throughout our page. Okay, so now let's go for body and HTML, and here we'll be giving height as 100%. Okay, and width 100%. Yeah. See, body is done and HTML is done. Right now let's design for a container. So now let's design for a container. I'll be giving 100 vertical height and width 100%. Okay, let's give display flex because see, I want this in center, right? Yeah, so align item center and it should come here. Yeah, perfect. Now it will be centered. Justify content center. Okay, now you guys, can you guys see? Okay, let me maximize this. See, it's in the center, right? Okay, let's use font family of Arial, and second one I want, okay, let's just use this only. Okay, as I mentioned, I'll be using linear gradient for background color, so that will be linear gradient. I'll be using that for 135 degree, and I'll be using this color. Okay, see, now we got the background that we desired, right? So background is done, this is done, so we just need to give a box design for this, right? See, for this we need to give a box design. For that, what we'll do, let's just minimize it. Okay, next we'll be designing for login box. We'll be setting a height for this as 22 rem. Height will be 22 rem. Width will be 300 pixels. Right now you guys might not see, but yeah, background linear gradient same 135 degree. Okay, we'll be using this color this time. Okay, now can you guys see, we got the desired design for this, right? Now you guys can see it's nowhere center, it's nowhere aligned properly, right? So let's just do text align center. Okay, now I have my logo. Let's set padding of 80 pixels and 20 pixels. Okay, perfect. We got the padding that we wanted, right? Next, you guys can see we have a sharp edges, right? Let's just use border radius just to curve a little bit. Okay, border radius will be using only for 20 pixels. Yep. Yeah, I think this is enough. And let's give a box shadow. Box shadow will be using 0, 0, 10 pixels. And RGB of, okay, okay, I think this thickness is enough. So I'll be using this RGB. So now we are done with our login box. So next we'll focus on designing sign up and login. Okay, dot sign up. Let's design both at a time, and one other one will be login. Okay. For sign up and login, for these two, we will be using display block. Okay. Let me guys show you. See here, my sign up is taking an entire width, right? Login is taking the entire space. To do this, we have to use display block. By using display block, we won't be able to use anything here until we are forcing it to use. Okay, so it will occupy the entire thing. Display block. Okay, see now it is like this. So technically it's taking up this space and login is taking this space. Now what we will do is, let's give width as 100%. Let it take the complete width. Okay, perfect. Now let's give some padding of 10 pixels. Okay, and let's give a little bit margin of 10 pixels. I think that would be great. Okay, I have to make it even. So yep, perfect. Let's smoothen the border a little bit. Okay, not too much, just a little. Okay, let's go a little bit low. It's too much. Okay, and I don't want that, so I'll remove the border. Let's go with font size of 16 pixels. Perfect. And cursor point. Okay. Logo, I believe this is the name I had given, right? Okay, capital L only. Okay. Okay, let's give 60 pixels of width, and I just need a little bit distance between these two, so I'll be giving margin bottom 10 pixels. I think we can give a little bit more. So after designing the logo, see, we are not able to see proper logo. So let's use this image. Okay. Okay. I've taken this image source link from Google. Okay. I'm using this much. I hope now it looks a little bit better, right? After using the image, we can properly see. But still, it's not satisfying, right? Let's design individually. For sign up, what we will do is we'll remove the background transparent. Okay, and let's use the color white color, and let's go with border 1 pixel solid white. Yep, perfect. And I wanted the color to be white. I don't know. Oh shit, I forgot to put hash. Okay, perfect. This is looking good. Now let's focus on login. Okay. Okay. So for login, I'll be using background white itself, and color, let's use this. Perfect. Okay. Now the entire design is ready. One more thing what we can do is this text. We can make this text also white just by going to container, color white. Perfect. I think we got the desired output. What you guys can do is reduce this one little bit lesser, more login to here, sign up a little bit more downwards, and you guys can use login as there's a feature in Google, right? Login as a guest. You guys can do that by using here. Okay. All the codes related to this, I'll be giving it in description or in the comment section. Okay. Just go through that. If you guys have any doubt, okay, just let me know in the comment section. I'll make sure to reply you guys. Okay. I'm starting this channel. This is my first video. Please let me know how you guys like this. Okay, and if you guys have any doubt, please let me know, and please like, share and subscribe, and have a great day.